Hello, it's Mr. G, your business teacher. Welcome to the third lesson in our production process series. So far, we've covered mass production, but today we're looking at batch production, a method that allows businesses to produce goods in set quantities rather than continuously. Let's get started. Batch production is a manufacturing process where a specific number of identical products are made before production shifts to another batch. Each batch goes through one stage of production before moving to the next, allowing businesses to produce different variations efficiently. It's commonly used for goods that require some variety but do not need full customization. In the UK, examples include bakeries, which produce different batches of bread, cakes, and pastries, and pharmaceutical companies, which manufacture medicines in controlled batches. One of the main advantages of batch production is flexibility, as businesses can adjust production to meet demand. A bakery can switch from making croissants to muffins without major changes. Another benefit is lower costs than job production, since producing in batches reduces costs compared to making one product at a time, as materials can be bought in bulk. Batch production also allows for improved quality control because products are made in groups, meaning quality can be checked at the end of each batch before moving on. It also reduces waste, since businesses only produce as much as needed, preventing overproduction and excessive storage costs. However, batch production does have some disadvantages. One of the biggest drawbacks is downtime between batches, as switching between different products requires time to clean and reconfigure machines, leading to delays. Another issue is storage costs, since businesses must store completed batches until they are sold, which can increase expenses. Employees may also find the work repetitive, leading to lower motivation over time as they perform the same tasks repeatedly. Additionally, there can be machine idle time, where equipment remains unused if demand for a particular product is low, reducing efficiency. Businesses using batch production must carefully plan their production schedules to avoid delays and manage storage costs effectively. Despite its drawbacks, batch production is widely used in industries where some product variation is needed without sacrificing efficiency. It strikes a balance between mass production efficiency and job production flexibility, making it ideal for many businesses. In your AQA GCSE business exam, you may be asked to compare batch production with other methods or discuss its advantages and disadvantages. A typical question might be, explain one reason why a business may choose batch production instead of mass production. Thank you for listening to Mr. G. Please like this lesson, subscribe to our channel, and comment with your questions. I'll be happy to respond. See you in the next lesson on job production.